A very, very fabulous good morning to my 9th class students. The chapter which we are studying is Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution, and I am discussing the reasons behind the Great Russian Revolution. I have discussed the problems of the farmers. Yesterday, I discussed the problems of the laborers and the working class. And today, the most important point comes that these problems occurred because of the very, very cruel and inefficient ruler that was Tsar of Russia. He was autocratic rule, means he did not check his powers. Whatever he said, he thought was right, it became right. Okay, he did not care for the public. He only cared for himself. Whatever he liked, whatever he wished, he did. He did not check whether that decision which he is taking is good for the public, good for Russia, good for the empire or not. So his rule was very, very autocratic. He was surrounded by flatterers, people who said that आप ही सब कुछ सही करते हैं. The mighty, the king is all right, and he believed that king is the supermost power, mighty power, divine power. भगवान द्वारा बैठाया गया कोई जो है वो किंग होता है, तो किंग कभी गलत नहीं कर सकता. किंग कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग राइट. ही बिलीव इन द डिवाइन राइट ऑफ द किंग्स. किंग्स को सब कुछ है. द प्रिविलेज क्लास थी वहां पे जो लोग बड़े लोग थे जिनको छूट मिली थी, उन्हीं को सब कुछ मिल रहा था. जो किंग की जय जयकार करते थे, जो किंग को सपोर्ट करते थे, जो किंग की बटरिंग करते थे, दे वर गेटिंग एवरीथिंग. बट द public was completely ignored. The work of public welfare were not done. और जो भी इसके खिलाफ आवाज उठाता था, द पीपल हु प्रोटेस्टेड दे वर रुथलेसली ब्रूटली ऑप्रेस्ड. ऑप्रेस्ड मीन्स उनको मारा पीटा जाता था. दे वर इवन किल्ड. द प्रिविलेज क्लास गॉट स्पेशल राइट्स व्हाइल द जनरल पब्लिक हैड नो इन द गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट के पास जनरल पब्लिक के लिए कुछ नहीं था. ओनली द प्रिविलेज क्लास वॉज देयर. अनदर थिंग इज दैट the monks, Rasputin, there was a monk known as Rasputin who was the head of the church, head of the monks mean धर्म गुरु, जैसे हमारे यहाँ बाबा लोग होते हैं, who guided the king. He was also a very corrupt person. He used his powers against the public, and he was called the holy devil. He was called the holy devil, and he was responsible for the reactionary folly or the Caesar to a great extent. कहता है सजार जो करता था गलत काम, वो ये इन लोगों से पूछ के करता था. ये लोग जो उसे गलत गाइड करते थे, वो तो गलत रिएक्शन लेता था, गलत एक्शंस लेता था जो पब्लिक के अगेंस्ट थी. एंड सो दिस होली डेविल हु वाज Rasputin was the immoral monk. Immoral means person who is not having any morality. Morality मतलब good values नहीं है उसके अंदर. और ज़्यादातर बिलीव किया जाता है that people who are religious they will have good values, but this monk was immoral. So all the policies of Caesar II, Nicholas II was affected by this monk. This monk guided, this privileged class guided, and they only guided the king according to their own benefits. Another reason was that the king has extended his empire outside Russia also, where people of different caste and creed. अब obviously मैं यहाँ पे रहता हूँ और मेरा एम्पायर श्रीलंका तक रहेगा, तो श्रीलंका के पीपल तो अलग कास्ट क्रीड कलर के हैं, तो उनको कंट्रोल करना मुश्किल हो रहा था. तो इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसेस आ रहे थे. द मनी वॉज टू मच स्पेंड टू मेंटेन सच एन एम्पायर. वहाँ से बेनिफिट कम और लॉस ज़्यादा हो रहा था. दिस एम्पायर वॉज मोर अ लाइबिलिटी देन अ एसेट टू कंट्रोल. और ये लोग उसको किंग को ये समझा नहीं रहे थे. They were not telling the king that this is getting wrong. So all this inefficient decisions, the wrong decisions of king also had a lot of protests, a lot of problems for the public, and thus when public decided to say no, the Russian Revolution started. So another very important reason of Russian Revolution was the inefficient king. अगर किंग सही होता है, किंग के डिसीजन सही होते हैं, तो कभी उसके खिलाफ कोई भी रेवोल्यूशन या एनीथिंग नहीं होती है. नथिंग हैपन्स अगेंस्ट द किंग इफ द किंग इज गुड, बट द किंग वॉज मोर और लेस inefficient. Another point, the fourth point that is worth mentioning is the teaching of socialist and Karl Marx. I have again told you that Karl Marx was against the capitalism and the privatization. So Karl Marx was against the privileged section. और तुम देख लो निकोलस 2 में ज़्यादातर benefits the privileged section, the monks, they are taking. So people, when they read and when they got the teachings of Karl Marx, they decided that revolution is the only way by which Russia can be saved, by which the life of the people can be improved. So the teachings of the socialist scholars like Robert Owen, Karl Marx, Saint Simon, people were affected by them, and because of the effect of such teachings they got knowledge, and they got knowledge. When they got knowledge, they started protesting the wrong decisions of the king. So these reasons, these 4 reasons contributed to the Russian Revolution. There are 3 more reasons that I'll be discussing in the next video, and I hope these 2 reasons which I have discussed today, the inefficient rule of Czar of Russia and teachings of Karl Marx and other socialists, will be very, very clear to you. Thank you.